Welcome to the Regal People Podcast series, where we will explore how to set smart goals for financial growth in the exciting world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. In this episode, we'll discuss how to apply a smart framework to your cryptocurrency investments and blockchain ventures to maximize your financial potential. When it comes to cryptocurrency and blockchain investments, specify your goals. Rather than simply aiming to invest in cryptocurrency, specify which digital assets or blockchain projects you want to focus on. For example, I want to invest 50% of my portfolio in Bitcoin and 30% in Ethereum. Making goals measurable. In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, measurable goals are essential for tracking your progress and making informed decisions. Set measurable targets such as percentage returns on your investments, portfolio growth in terms of USD value, or the number of successful trades executed. Ensuring goals are achievable. While the potential for high returns in the cryptocurrency market can be tempting, it is crucial to set goals that are realistically achievable. Consider factors such as your risk tolerance, investment knowledge, and market conditions when setting your goals. Start with smaller, achievable targets before scaling up your investments. Relevance of goals. Your cryptocurrency and blockchain goals should align with your overall financial objectives and risk appetite. Consider how cryptocurrency fits into your investment portfolio and whether it complements your existing financial strategy. Ensure that your goals are aligned with your long-term vision for financial growth and security. Setting time-bound goals. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, setting time-bound goals is essential for staying focused and disciplined. Establish clear deadlines for achieving your financial targets, whether it's short-term trading goals, medium-term investment milestones, or long-term wealth accumulation objectives. Conclusion. Setting smart goals is a strategic approach to navigating the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency and blockchain investments. By being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can harness the potential of this emerging asset class to achieve your financial goals. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore actionable strategies for success in the cryptocurrency market. If you're ready to transform your financial future and take control of your destiny, then don't miss out on the opportunity to dive into the world of the money behind the dreams. Whether you're looking for actionable strategies, insightful guidance, and empowering workshops, this book has everything you need to turn your dreams into reality. Click the link below to purchase your copy of Money Behind the Dreams and embark on a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and wealth creation. Don't wait another moment to start building the life you deserve. Take the first step towards financial success today.